Today we're diving into the world of convenient and healthy baby food preparation with the BEABA Babycook Solo 4-in-1 baby food maker. This all-in-one machine revolutionizes mealtime by steam cooking, blending, defrosting, and reheating your baby's food in under 20 minutes, eliminating the need for pots, pans, blenders, or microwaves. With a large 4.5 cup capacity, you can prepare up to 27 servings of nutritious baby food in one go, making it perfect for busy parents who want to ensure their little ones eat only the best. The Babycook's elevated steam basket design ensures true steam cooking, preserving essential nutrients that other methods might lose, and the leftover water can be used to adjust the puree's texture to your liking. Safety is paramount with this appliance, featuring a safety lock design and a bowl made from Triton, a high-grade, food-safe material free from BPA, lead, and phthalate. Plus, its one-handed operation allows you to multitask effortlessly, holding your baby in one arm while preparing their meal with the other. With certifications from the US FDA, Health Canada, the EU, and more, the BEABA Babycook Solo is your trusted partner in creating healthy, homemade meals for your baby and the entire family.